Say goodbye to clutter and say hello to organized efficiency. Hey YouTube family, welcome to my channel Decorate with Manas. How are you? Don't we all love a good home hack? They're quick, they're easy, and they level up our home decor game without investing a lot of money. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing 10 mind-blowing home hacks that will level up your home decor and organization game and make it more beautiful and stylish. These home hacks are going to be smart, easy, and affordable. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin the video. The first home hack is a DIY organizer that you can use to organize your vegetables, your accessories, your makeup, basically anything and everything under the roof. Let's watch.
So this is my kitchen, and in my kitchen I have this wicker basket. Now in this basket I store all my onions, potatoes, garlic, ginger, and even coconut if I have one. But it has become a little messy and inconvenient, and it's hard to find things when you need them. To solve this problem, we are going to make a DIY organizer, and all we are going to need is a piece of cardboard. So basically we need to cut 2 pieces of cardboard from the single piece, and the height of the pieces would be approximately equal to the height of your drawer. And then we are going to mark a line at the center, almost halfway point, on both the pieces. And then cut it out using a scissor, and there we go. Basically our 2 pieces are ready, and we just have to kind of fix them into each other to make a cross-section organizer. And it's ready. Let's put it in. I made some minor adjustments in the cardboard so that it fits my drawer perfectly, and voila, our organizer is ready. Now it's super easy to organize them because we have 4 separate compartments for all the 4 things, and it's very easy to pick things when you need them at a glance. And it looks so neat also. It's also easy to spot when the stock of any particular item is running out, so we can order fresh stock for the same. Now here are some more ideas for you. Using the same technique, I've made a lipstick organizer. There's a detailed video on my channel. And you can also make a jewelry organizer using the same technique, but multiple cuts in the cardboard pieces. Such a versatile technique.
The next hack is for all of us who love our achars. Yum! Finding the right kind of spoon that can be used in an achar without getting corroded is a big challenge. So the next hack solves for that.
We all know that we should not use stainless steel spoons in achar bottles because it corrodes and spoils the spoons. And it's not safe also. Also, if we use a separate spoon, fresh spoon every time, then we have to wash it every time also, which is not very efficient. To solve this problem, we are going to take a pack of wooden party spoons. These are cheap and easily available in the local stores. They are completely safe to be used with achars and will not get spoiled. Another great thing is you can cut them to size easily with a scissor and make them to fit any size of achar jar, so you don't need different size spoons. Just one pack is good for all your achar bottles. With this hack, your achar bottles will always be ready to go with a spoon inside them. After talking so much about achar, my mouth is salivating.
The next hack is related to fridge magnets. And this hack will make your fridge magnets look very sophisticated, very aesthetic, and very stylish, and without costing much money at all.
In my house, I have made this set of DIY fridge magnets using wooden block prints. Now because they are from a similar family but yet have their unique patterns and designs, they look very curated and very aesthetically pleasing. And I always get compliments on it. To make these, all you need is simple wooden block prints and magnets, which is all available on Amazon. Just glue the magnets on the block prints on the behind side, let it dry, and then it's good to go. And now the fun part begins. You can basically keep changing the designs, the patterns as you wish if you get bored, and make your own custom design, and it will look so good. The best part is you can make fridge magnets out of any other object apart from these as well as you like.
This hack is also an organizing pro tip, using which you can hang and organize a lot of things in your kitchen, in your bathroom, very easily, very efficiently. But what is it? Let's watch.
Now this here is my mop, and it's a struggle to find a place to keep it after mopping because it's still wet. Now if we keep it on the floor, it creates a wet patch and a mess on the floor, and it takes much longer to dry as well. And that's not a cute look at all. To solve this problem, all we need is some inexpensive stainless steel S-hooks, which are very readily available in local stores and Amazon as well. We can easily put them in the towel rack and hang the mop on it. Super easy and super effective, no drilling required. It looks neat and is super functional as well. I've also hung my wiper using the same technique, and both of them now hang on the towel rack, and I can use them whenever I want, and after using I just hang them to place them there. Easy peasy. This now works really well and they look super neat. I love it.
The next hack is for all of you who love to save water and use water as efficiently as they can, because let's be real, water is a very precious resource and we should always be very careful while using it. So this hack will help you save water in the kitchen while washing your vegetables.
Do you wash your vegetables in the tap like this?
Sorry, Shaktiman.
Washing vegetables like this under the tap wastes a lot of water. And honestly, it doesn't even clean the vegetables effectively. Instead, just take any vessel that you have in your kitchen and, well, don't model like this, but fill it with water and then put all your vegetables that you want to wash in it. Leave the vegetables for 2-3 minutes and also gently rub them to clean all the dirt. This way the vegetables clean out much cleaner. Now the remaining water you can use to water your plants. This water is completely fine for plants, and although it takes a little bit of effort, but I think it saves a lot of water in the process, and this water is actually good for your plants because it does absorb a little bit of minerals in the water. So it's a win-win. Your vegetables will come out much cleaner and your plants will also thrive.
Do you have solid wood furniture in your home? I do. And I know that it's hard to maintain because objects kept on it can scratch the table. The next hack is helpful in protecting solid wood table surfaces from scratches and wear and tear using a simple tool. Let's watch.
Now in my house there is a corner where I have this wooden chest of drawers placed, and on that I have a bronze pot. Doesn't it look so pretty? But there's a problem. Every time I clean this with a cloth, I have to be extra careful not to move it, otherwise it will scratch the cabinet surface. To prevent this, all you need is felt furniture pads, which are easily available on Amazon, and they are amazing. So what I did was I chose these 3 large stick-on pads and then basically placed them on the bottom of this vessel. I just put 3 because for this size I think 3 is enough to kind of cover it, but you can put more depending on the size of the vessel. With this, it will never scratch the cabinet surface. And now that we're talking about this, there's a bonus hack for you. So this, a lot of people ask me if this is a real plant or a fake plant, but this is a 100% real plant which is growing in water in a jar. You can see the roots also here. So the hack that I've used is I've pasted some thermocol pieces in this big bronze jar to give it a height, and then I just placed this glass jar inside to kind of keep this plant, and it's growing very well in water. I just change the water once a week and it's thriving. You can also use this hack on any trays like this to protect your furniture from potentially anything that can scratch the surface of your table.
Now I love drawers because they are so functional and they help you utilize the whole cabinet space very efficiently. But not all our cabinets have drawers. The next hack is also an organizing hack, and it will make those areas of your wardrobes which are deep and dark accessible to you using a very simple technique.
So this right here is one part of my shoe cabinet where in the top part I store my socks in this organizer, and below is where I keep all my accessories that I need to pick up while leaving the house. Now this space is dark and deep and I'm never able to find what I'm looking for. One quick hack is to find any tray which matches the size of your space. I got this one from Amazon, it was very cheap. It's an MDF tray. And then organize whatever you have in this tray. Place it in the cabinet and use it as a convenient drawer. Now it's super easy to use and quickly find things when I'm heading out. Glamour.
Don't we all love decorating our homes with art? Give your home a luxurious, impactful feeling. Large art is recommended. Next hack will make your existing art look more impactful, luxurious, and aesthetic.
So the hack here is to basically frame your art in a big frame, leaving a lot of matting around it. I recently saw this in Aditi Rao Hayadri's house, and it's a very effective technique to make your artwork have a much more visual impact. And the best part is you can just upgrade your existing art using this technique. You don't necessarily have to invest in bigger art.
Don't we all hate washing our shoes? I mean, it's something that I actively avoid. So the next hack is how to clean your shoes very efficiently without any hassles, without any hard work.
As you can see, my shoes are super dirty because it's rainy season. All you need is a thin grocery bag that you may have in your home already. It should be thin, not too thick. Just place all your shoes inside. You can put 2-3 washable shoes at the same time as well and tie a knot and then put it in the washing machine for cleaning. The bag basically helps in keeping the shoes together and not destroying their structure, and also protect the washing machine. Once the wash cycle is done, it's time to remove and see how clean our shoes are. And they look very clean to me, honestly. Here is a quick before and after comparison, and you can see the shoes are so clean.
Our last hack for today is a very practical one. A lot of apartments have these cutouts in the wall for AC pipe outlet, but if we don't have an AC in the house, those outlets are usually open, and then a lot of insects and lizards can come into the house. So this hack will help you pack that hole.
Now this is my bedroom, and as you can see, there's a cutout for the AC outlet on the wall. Now I don't need an AC because I stay in Bangalore and the weather is always pleasant here, but this hole is something that creates anxiety. To cover it up, all you need is a thermocol sheet. Just mark the approximate size of the hole on the thermocol and carefully cut it out of the thermocol sheet. Make 2-3 cutouts like that, because then that really helps to pack it up well. And then just use them to basically place it on the hole and just pack it. Especially if your walls are white, it will just disappear and look really nice and will pack the hole as well.
So those were all the hacks that I wanted to share with you today. And boy, oh boy, those were a lot of hacks. I have practically tried and tested all these hacks in my home, and I love each and every one of them. But I want to know from you, which hack was your favorite? Please let me know in the comments. I love reading your comments. And I would also like to share some of recent comments on my videos. So Charu Kalia writes, very nice video. Thanks for patiently answering the questions too. Very helpful. Pleasure is all mine. Glad for liking the video and writing a sweet comment. All in One by Nina 2203 writes, beautiful decoration, and one more thing, my mobile cover and yours are the same. Oh, thanks for noticing that, and thanks for writing this sweet comment. If you liked this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, because I keep sharing videos on home decor, DIY and home organization. So if you're interested in this theme, you will definitely love my videos. And if you subscribe and also press the bell notification, you will know when my new video is out there, so you will not miss it. And it will also help my channel. Alright, so that's a wrap, and it was extremely fun sharing all these home hacks with all of you, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye!